You've seen the movies. You know the warnings. But what if artificial intelligence really turned against its creators? How would humanity survive in a war against advanced machines? Let's dive into that chilling possibility. AI is already transforming our world, and the battlefield is no exception. We now have AI-powered drones that fly on their own, fighter jets enhanced with AI for better maneuvers, and robotic tanks that react to threats without human help. These aren't future predictions. They're real-world technology in use today. Military use of AI is no longer a question of if, but how far it will go. In 2023, the US Air Force ran a test, an AI pilot versus a trained human pilot in a simulated dogfight. The result? The AI won, making split-second decisions with a level of speed and precision no human could match. It wasn't just a one-time experiment. It proved how dangerous AI can be in combat, especially since it doesn't tire, hesitate, or get emotional. And this is just the beginning. The US, China, Russia, and other world powers are investing billions into AI-driven military technology, including autonomous submarines, missile launchers, and drones that can detect and destroy targets with chilling accuracy. Imagine AI-driven submarines that can avoid detection, robotic missile launchers that calculate the best firing angles, or drones that identify and take down targets with extreme precision, all without a human pulling the trigger. But with all this innovation, a serious question remains. What happens if these machines built to protect us decide we read the threat? It's not about killer robots rising overnight. The real danger is something slower, more subtle, a gradual loss of human control. As we let AI take over more and more decisions in warfare? And if that tipping point ever comes, will we even realize it before it's too late?